Hi everyone, it's Destiny here at Byrider and Fond du Lac. Today I wanted to show you guys the ease of browsing on our website while being cozy at home, instead of looking out on the lot in the cold weather. Once you go to our website, you can see the location that you would be looking at, the inventory, and seeing the vehicles that are for sale. If there is one that catches your eye, you can click on the heart and it would show in my heart cars all the vehicles you like. If you are browsing the website on a computer and want to fill out an application, you can start the process by clicking on Getting Approved on the top left hand of the page. If you're browsing the website on your phone and want to start the process online, you can click Get Approved button on the bottom of the screen next to where Heart My Cars is located. So once you click on Byrider.com, this will be the homepage that it would bring you out to. So you can click on the View Inventory and then search by zip code, and it will bring up the Fond du Lac location. And you'll hit select. This is all the inventory that we have listed for sale. So for an example, if you hit this button where it's the heart, it will pop up into My Heart Cars. For doing an application online, you see it's right here at the bottom on the right hand corner. It says Get Approved. Otherwise, if you scroll up to the top, you can see that the Get Approved button is at the top of the page too. By browsing our website at home, you are less likely to be overwhelmed and anxious. If you submit the information online, one of our sales reps would be reaching out to you to finish this process over the phone. One way of scheduling service appointments is calling the location and talking with service for any issues or appointments that need to be scheduled. You can also stop into our location to talk to service. To check out our inventory, you can go to byrider.com. You can also stop into 44 North Rolling Meadows Drive here in Fond du Lac, or you can give us a call at 920-204-0300.